Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Bdo debit card abroad. And yes, it still works in 2025. It's actually a super easy process to stick with me until the end. First things first, Bdo allows international usage or its debit card, but you need to make sure your card is enabled for foreigner transactions. To check this, you can either call Bdo or simply open the latest version on the Bdo mobile app. There will be able to see if your card is just set up for international use. Once your card is authorized, you can use it just like the world you would at home. Whether it's online shopping or in store purchases, it works. For online transactions, just enter your card number, expiry date, and security code. And for in person payments, just swipe, tap, or insert your card, whatever is accepted at the location. Now, if your current Medio card is not allowed for international transactions, don't worry. You can either request a new one from BDO or get a card from the other bank that supports foreign use. Quick tip, be aware fees. BDO may charge currency conversion or foreign transaction processing. To avoid surprise changes, it's a good idea to convert your money before traveling. Also, withdrawing at the ATM abroad can lead to extra fees, especially if it is a non affiliated bank. So, sum it up, enable international use of your card. Watch out for fees and use your BDO debit card just like normal. And that is it. Simple and effective. If this video helped you out, be sure to like and subscribe for more quick, easy tips.